Yo, 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 yo. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. I just cook up some crazy beats from scratch, all inside of FL Studios. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get it. We got our tempo at 180, and this is the scale that I'm using. You can copy it over if you want to. It just makes it easier when you're cooking up, you feel me? Yeah, I kind of like this song. Let's just see what we can make. Yeah, run it up. I got all the bands and I don't know. Yeah. Now that we have like a little bounce going on, a little melody, let's just add some counter melodies to it. I've been doing this for a while now, just like a simple like drum pattern, just to like get into the beat, get into the vibe, and then just like add some more counter melodies. So let's just copy this over. Yeah. Let's render that out, all the melodies, because my CPU is going through the roof. I might maybe like switch out the first sound of the Xpand. I think it just doesn't fit with like the other sounds. Ooh, I just came up with an idea. What we can maybe do is like render it out, pitch it up, and then reverse it. By the way, if your CPU is going crazy, go over to tools, macros, and then switch smart disable for all plugins. This will like turn off the plugins inside of the DAW that you are not using. It just like helps you to like save up some CPU while making beats. I think I want to switch up the time order of this sound, and we can use this at the beginning of each bar. Make unique, add it to the mixer, add some delay. And this we can reverse down. Hey, it's fire. What I want to add right now is like a counter melody, just like something unique. So I'm thinking about adding like a one shot and making some sliding notes in there. So let's go over to the Space Essentials. It has some one shots in there as well, like a simple little plug, and it's called Beauty. Probably will be beautiful as hell. First off, let's just add some Valhalla vintage verb. I like to put this on non-lin and then 1980s. Turn the mix down, a little low cut. Also, what I want to do is cut the lows out of this and a little bit of the highs. And what I want to do is add kickstart to it as well. Turn down the mix, and now when we play it, and then Body is crazy. Ooh, what if we added this string in there as well? And just make it slide like crazy. Let's add some Lux reverb. Shit. Let's add some pancake to this just to like make it go left and right. Damn, this beat is gassing me up, bro. Bro, this shit is too hard. Let's just see how it sounds in a different pitch. Ooh, that is sounding wavy. Let's just put crystalline on this. Shit. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Keep it low. I don't know, I'm speaking on the flow. I just said, I wanna geeking on the flow. I like the beat more when it's pitched down, but I think for an artist it's better to pitch it up because it's just like easier to rap on in that pitch. So I might just like pitch it back up. But I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also, I'm active on social media as well at gunna beats, yes sir. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.